Other things you can do as well is, what if you also write this to somewhere else? Like putting a slash. Actually, let's do this. We put code folder slash new code.cp. Theoretically, I should write to another folder. If the folder does not exist, which does not in our case, it should just write it over there. Doing this actually, well, it didn't look like it did anything. So let's call it code folder. And now you have it over here. So what happened here is it looks like the folder did not exist. So it just didn't do anything. Once we made the folder, it added in there. But you can also do something like this, // new code, just like before. So go over here, and then we just do another one. And there we go. It's right here now. And then we can also go to another folder as well and call it code folder again. So if it doesn't exist, it's just not going to do anything. So let's actually make the folder called code folder. So right now there's nothing in here. So once we run it, it's now going to be inside here. So now there's an item. And that's all the things you can do. Those are kind of all the tricks you can do with simply by where do you write to a file. You can mess with all this. So that's at least some of the things you can do inside of this quotation marks or where you write to a file.